diabetes caused because of obesity, eruptions on the skin, glands, creamy, that is worms. These are the diseases which are covered in a broad sense. What are the preparations? Chandra Prabhavati, Amruta Gugul, Trifala Gugul, Yogaraj Gugul, Kanchanar Gugul, Kaishor Gugul, Gokshurari Gugul. What does it mean? All the single herbs, they are mixed with Gugul so that the effect is enhanced. So, Amruta is a different herb. So, Amruta Gugul, it means there is Amruta along with Gugul, along with some other ingredients which are going to help very well in gout. Amruta Gugul is a preparation which helps in gout and calcaneal pain. People get calcaneal spurs, the heel pain. The Amruta Gugul is a preparation which helps. Because when we had seen the Doshagnata, it was Kafagna and Vatagna. So any Vat disorder, Gugulus are surely used. Only for a Pitta Prakruti person, Gugulu should be taken under observation. All the Pitta Prakruti people cannot digest Gugulu. So, and pure Gugul can be taken in the form of medicine. This is one more herb which is used, very common herb used in our practice. That is called as bol or hirabol. Again, the part used is a niryas. It means the substance which is oozed out from the plant. That is niryas. What are the specialities? It is Garbhashay Shodhan, immunogogue and dysmenorrhea. Karma is Vat Kafagna, Vedana Sthapan. It means it is used as an analgesic. Second, it is Koth Prashamanan. It means whenever there is any pus formation taking place in the body, this is the herb which helps in reducing that pus formation. That is Koth Prashamanan. Koth means pus formation. Anything which is getting damaged, it reduces the suppuration, means reduces the oozing. Arthojanan, it means it helps in gynecological disorders where there is irregular menses and all other menstrual disorders. Shofar, it means it helps to reduce the edema. Stamban, it means helps to contract the uterus. Diseases, dysmenorrhea and amenorrhea. Irregular menses and no menses. This is the important herb for gynec diseases. Bol Baddaras. What are the preparations? The most important is Bol Baddaras, Poladivati and Raja Pravartini Vati. Bol Baddaras is a medicine which is used in all type of bleeding disorders. When there is any bleeding, extra bleeding taking place in the body, Bol Baddaras is a medicine which is to be taken to stop. Because of the Stamban Gun, it helps to stop the bleeding immediately. This is a very important herb. It may be bleeding due to piles, it may be heavy menses, it may be bleeding due to any damn reason. Bol Baddaras helps to stop the bleeding or to clot the blood very fast. So, this is a very important herb. Everyone must be knowing this herb. Yes? Yeah. And this is the stem. Yeah. So we call it Kamal or lotus. It is Nilamba nucifer is a Latin name. What are the parts used? The flowers and the seeds are used. It prevents IUGR is intrauterine growth and retardation. Intrauterine growth retardation in pregnant women, and it has a soothing effect on the body. Karma is Kapha Pittagna. People who are of Pitta Prakruti, it has a very soothing effect to balance the Pitta. Prashaman. Daha means burning. The burning could be in your eyes, the burning could be anywhere. It may be burning micturition, it may be burning in the anus. Daha Prashaman is a soothing effect on any type of burning in the body. Varnya, it improves the complexion. Garbhasthapan, it facilitates nidation. Garbha Poshan, it boosts the fetal growth. Trishna Nigrahan, it helps to reduce the excess thirst. What are the diseases where it is used? Habitual abortions. People are not able to conceive. This is a herb which helps in preventing habitual abortions. Intrauterine growth and retardation, it is controlled. And urticarial rashes, where people get scratching and eruptions all over the skin. This is the herb which is used. Because of it, Daha Prashaman Gun. What are the preparations? The Bij Churna is used. Nal Swaras is, Nal is the stem. Nal Swaras is used. Arvind Daso is a preparation of very commonly known preparation, Arvind Daso, which is prepared from lotus. It is also, people eat as a vegetable to get the good effects of the herb. This is very dangerous herb. You must be knowing this herb. Can you see it properly? See it again. Can you recognize this? How many of you go for trekking? No one. So whenever you go for trekking, just remember this herb. Whenever you see this herb nearby, you should not go near it, because if it touches your skin and it starts scratching you, then no medicine can stop that scratching. This is that herb, yeah. This is the fruit of that plant. The name is Kapikachu. They call Mucina pruriens, is the Latin name. The part used are the seeds. So it has a scratching effect on the body, but the most important effect is different. It has an aphrodisiac effect, which is unbelievable. It is an ingredient of all the aphrodisiac preparations available in the market. Then Parkinsonism is a very important medicine which is used in Parkinson. Yeah. And Karma is Vatagna. It helps to reduce the Vat. Vrusha is the most important karma. It is boosting the reproductive tissue. So because of this Vrusha Gun, it is the ingredient of all the basic preparations. Vajikar, enhance the sexual activity. Stan, galactagogue, Rasayan, that is rejuvenating. Balya, that is improves the strength. And Mutral, that is diuretic. These are the other uses. Diseases are Parkinsonism, sexual debility, and premature aging. Any medicine which is going to act, which is going to have an aphrodisiac effect, will obviously have an anti-aging effect also. So this helps in premature aging. Preparations are Bij Churna with milk, used in most of the aphrodisiac preparations available in the market. This is very difficult to recognize, I'll tell you. This is Kutki or Katuki. Kutki, again, this is a liver tonic. These are the medicines which are boon to our mankind given by Ayurveda. Because the whole plant and roots are used, and the rhizome, the whole plant is used. It is a liver stimulant and hepatoprotective action. So in fatty liver, or you can say most of the liver diseases which we see nowadays, this is also ingredient of the preparations which are used. Karma is Pitta Kafagna. What is the main karma? That is Bhedaniya, that is disintegrating. So when there is an obstructive jaundice, or when you want to treat the gallstones or calculus in the pancreas, the Bhedaniya Gun, it helps to disintegrate the stone, and also in obstructive jaundice it helps to reduce the obstruction also. So this is a very important drug. So Lekhniya, that is emaciating. Stanya Shodhan, that is galactodepurants. Joragna, that is it is antipyretic also. Diseases are Prameha, Kamla is jaundice, Schwartz and Kas, that is asthma. What are the preparations? Arogyavardhini. Arogyavardhini is a very common preparation which is most of the people know about it and which is very commonly used. Kutki is the main ingredient. Abhayadi Kwat, Sudarshan Churna, Kutki and Kirata Tikta, that is Chiraita. Kutki and Chiraita together, used together, act well on malarial jaundice. Jaundice which is caused due to malaria, this combination helps. Kutki and Chiraita, that is Kirata Tikta. This is marketed all over the world in a wrong way. So Kumari, the name is Kumari and the Latin name is aloe vera. The parts used are the leaf and the pulp in the leaf is used. Contraindicated in pregnancy. This is very important. Contraindicated in pregnancy. It is skin moisturizer and softener and is used in burns also to get a good skin color again. Karma is Tridoshagna. But if you see the karma, it is Tridoshagna. There are also many other herbs which are Tridoshagna, but people have concentrated on the Tridoshagna quality of aloe vera only, and it is marketed everywhere. People forget other Tridoshagna drugs. What are the main karmas? It is Bhedan, that is penetrating and disintegrating. So now, it helps in all the liver diseases. Because of the Bhedan Gund, it is helping to reduce the fatty liver. It is going to help you in jaundice, all sorts of diseases. But for alcoholics, people who are taking alcohol daily, there are many people now who take alcohol daily. If these people, they want to restore their liver function normal, they start taking aloe vera daily. Because of the Bhedaniya or penetrating or disintegrating Gund, it is going to further damage the liver rather than helping the liver. So this has to be remembered. A medicine acts as a medicine only when it is used at the time of proper indication. If you take it like food, or if you keep on drinking on one side and take aloe vera on the other side, this aloe vera can be dangerous. So Bhedan is the Gund, because of which, because of the same reason it is not used in pregnancy also, because of the Bhedan Gund. Daha Prashamanam, it has a cooling effect. It is Anuloman, that is laxative. Pittasha Sankochak, that is gallbladder stimulant. So it is used in gallbladder diseases also, it can be used. Shothara, that is anti-inflammatory action also is there. Vrishya, that is invigorates reproductive tissue. Garbhashay Shodhan, that is detoxifying the uterus. Vedana Sthapan, that is, it helps to reduce the pain sensation. Diseases, Iha-D, that is liver and spleen enlargement. It is used in liver and spleen enlargement. But what happens in alcoholics is, if the quantity of alcohol goes on increasing, it leads to hepatomegaly, and then the liver starts to shrink. And when the liver starts to shrink, and then the person starts taking aloe vera, then it can be dangerous. Because it works hepatomegaly. So it is already shrinking, and you keep on taking it, it will still shrink and it will damage the liver. So diseases are Yakrut, Pliha, Vriddhi, skin disorders and burns. External application also. Preparations are Kumari Asav, Rajab Pravardhini Vati and Swaras. Kumari Asav, it is used in different ways. In Kumari Asav also, there are different preparations of Kumari Asav. One which is used for small children as a tonic, liver tonic, or it is used in cold and cough. And the second one which is used in gynecological disorders to regularize the menstrual cycle, twice a day. This is Kutaj. Kutaj or Kuda, which is a very well-known herb. We call it Holarhina antidysentrica. So, in earlier days, when there were no antibiotics or when there were no diseases, no medicines which were discovered, this was the herb which was used to stop the diarrhea or loose motions. The name is Holarhina antidysentrica. So, what is the part? It is a bark of the seed. The bark of the plant is used. The powder form, it helps to stop the diarrhea. It is antidysentrica. The powder seeds also is used, is called as Indrajav. It has an anti-spasmodic, anti-amoebic